let's fly right through the middle if all of our little trees are ready. Here he comes again. Nice job.
That was great. Thank you. Oh, this is lovely. Look, Katie. So we've got a forest over here as well. Lovely. So hold still. Perfect.
All right, same as before. Miles is pretty quick. Here he comes. Wow, so close.
Let's give all of our volunteers a hand to make wonderful trees.
He's flying today, Miles. You're so fast. Hey, I don't have any of those insects, but I do have another grape. Watch this. Nice catch.
I got a close-up. Hey, that's why there are no flying grapes.
America. See, you're so. Yes, I am.
Oh, ground hornbills are really amazing birds. They get their name because they spend a lot of time on the ground foraging around, but they can use that big beak like a sledgehammer. It's really, really strong.
Hey, let me get my camera.
Okay. Oh, that's a camera?
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
Oh, he's not angry, Doug. Hey, is anyone in the back that can help with the bird? Oh, thanks, Jonas, too. Well, yeah, that's a natural behavior for ground hornbills to peck at their food like that.
I'm so sorry about your camera.
My wilderness explorer's camera.